Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm going to show you how you can create this 3D video effect in only 2 minutes. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do, just import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Just make sure you select the video and then you click on the Fusion page. And then here what we have to do is to press on your keyboard Shift plus space and here write digital video effects. This one, add, and from here, now, if you select this node, from here we can zoom in. This is what I like to do first. Zoom in, and then just change here. And now you can simply create some interesting, animations or effects. So here you can add a keyframe and then you move a couple of frames forward, then you can change Alright. Then we have this simple effect. So I really hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care and make sure you subscribe for more DaVinci tutorials.